First, click on Custom Size. Take a 1080 by 1080 pixels canvas. Go to Elements. Search Cupcake. Go to the Photo section. Add a cupcake photo. Go to Photos. Search Pink Gradient Background. Add a background image. Set it as background. Go to Text. Add a heading. Here, we will choose Canva 3D font. Change font size to 250 pixels. Now, go to Effect. Apply Shadow Effect. Send the text to back. Adjust its position. Now, add another text. Choose Legally 1 font. Change font size to 80 pixels. Choose Shadow Effect also for it. Adjust its position. Duplicate this font. Type your text. Change font size to 60 pixels. Adjust its position. Now, go to Elements. Search Curve Neon Line. Go to the Graphics section. Add an element. Place it behind the first text. Now, click on Edit. Go to Duotone. Apply Blush Effect. Next, search Curve Light Line. Add an element. Go to Edit, then Filter. Apply Antique Filter Effect. Place it behind the third text. Now, search Wind Curve 3D icon. Add an element. Place it on the left side of the first text. Go to Edit, then Duotone. Apply Blush Effect. Duplicate and place it on the right side also. Next, search 3D Squiggle. Add an element. Place it on the top right side. Duplicate and place another one on the bottom left side. After this, search Shop Now 3D icon. Add an element. Place it on the right side. Go to Edit, then Filter. Apply Rose Filter Effect. Now, search Shadow. Add a circular shadow and place it on the bottom of the cup. Send it to the back. Duplicate the Buy Now element. Go to Edit, then Duotone. Click on Custom. Change highlights to black. Next, click on Blur. Select the whole image. Set intensity to 75. Reduce transparency to 30%. Place it behind the Buy Now element. Your design is ready. Let's zoom in. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.